Hey guys, welcome to this year's Christmas hair tutorial. This year I decided to choose a hairstyle from the 1956 movie War and Peace with Audrey Hepburn, which is not the most historically accurate piece ever made, but features some really cool hairstyles. So I chose the hairstyle that Audrey wears in the last scene of the movie, which is a beautiful braided hairstyle that looks very beautiful but still wearable, and I think it will be absolutely perfect for the upcoming holidays or any other type of formal occasion. So let's get started straight away. I'm going to start by splitting my hair into a center parting down the front, and then I am going to pull all my hair up into a high ponytail. And we want this to be the neatest ponytail ever, so really try and get this as smooth as possible. I'm using a fine-tooth comb here, but I'm also making sure to leave that parting because that is an essential part of this hairstyle. I am actually going to go in with some pomade. Pomade was used a lot during this time, and you can see pretty much throughout the entire movie Audrey's hairstyles do not move, and I'm pretty sure they use either a load of hairspray or pomade. Pomade's the easier way to go, so I'm just going to smooth down all of my flyaways and the side pieces of my bangs with pomade. And that's going to help me get that really sleek ponytail style. Of course, can't forget about those little flyaway hairs at the back of my neck. So then I'm going to comb it through once again to break it up a little bit and smooth this out even more. And since I now created all kinds of bumps doing this, I'm going to go back and just redo that ponytail, and this time it's going to turn out even smoother. Taking a little break from hairstyling here to tell you a little bit about today's sponsor, because this video is kindly sponsored by Luisa. I am a brand ambassador for Luisa this year, and I just wanted to let you know that they are currently running a Christmas sale. All of the jewelry that I'm wearing today is by Luisa, except for my engagement ring, of course. Honestly guys, nearly all of the jewelry I wear nowadays is from Luisa. I have been working with them for a while now, and I absolutely adore their pieces. They are so beautiful, minimal, dainty, just exactly what I'm looking for in jewelry. And not only are their pieces absolutely gorgeous and great quality, they only use recycled gold in their pieces, and they offset their carbon emissions throughout the entire cycle of production. Their pricing is really good considering the quality of the items. Their pieces start at $39, and they offer a 365-day warranty to refund or replace any pieces that you aren't happy with. They only make limited batches of each of their jewelry pieces to ensure that nothing goes to waste and no resources are wasted, while also ensuring the highest production standard. So Luisa are currently running their biggest sale of the year, and I think this is a perfect opportunity to treat yourself or one of your loved ones to one of their beautiful pieces. The Christmas sale is buy one, get one 40% off, and if you're in the US, you also get a free travel case for orders of $150 and above. This is the travel case right here. It is absolutely gorgeous. The inside looks a bit different to this one. I received an early model, but it really is really pretty and luxurious and a perfect way to keep your jewelry, even if you're not traveling. Honestly, look, so beautiful. There is a link in the description box to their website and the Christmas sale, so be sure to check them out. I want to give a massive thank you to Luisa for sponsoring this video, and let's move on with the hairstyle. Alright, so here I am just creating this little bun with my hair, and I'm gonna take this out again later, so feel free to disregard this part, but I had to leave it in for things to make sense. So what I'm gonna do is take a braid made of hair extensions. Now if you have enough hair to make your own braids, by all means use your own hair. My hair is pretty thin, so I need some help in this department. I'm just pinning that braid right underneath the little bun that I have using one of those really large and sturdy bobby pins. And I'm gonna bring in a second braid, pin both of them down there. And the top hair, my own hair, is going to cover all of this mess later, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna take one of the braids and I'm gonna wrap it around kind of the top of my head to form this kind of crown, and then slide in a bobby pin to hold this down. And I'm also going to slide in some U-shaped pins, some hairpins along the length of the braid to make sure that it stays right where I want it to. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side of the braid, secure it, and then use some bobby pins to position it on my head. Alright, so I've taken out that little bun because it didn't work, and now I am just going to flip my hair up in the ponytail, and I'm going to pin it down to my head using more of those really long, sturdy bobby pins. And this is going to help me create a pretty wide waterfall, and especially if your hair is thinner, this is a great way to make sure that the hair is spread out nicely. So I'm using 4 of those to make sure it's really secure. And then when I flip my hair over, it looks a little something like this. And everything that's underneath is nicely covered up. So next up, I'm going to take a fairly small curling iron, and I'm just going to curl all of that hair that is now still down. And I'm making sure to curl everything in the same direction because we do want this to combine later on and kind of form one big wave in the back. We don't want it to separate too much, so I'm just going to go in one direction all around. So then I'm going to take my comb again, comb this through, especially on top. That's the most important part, because that's going to make sure that this lies down smoothly. So I'm then going to shape all of this hair so that it falls over all of that faux braidage and over the parts where the braids are pinned down. I'm just sliding in some U-pins. You could use bobby pins again for this if you prefer. Just anything that will hold the hair down there. And any of the little tails that are remaining at the bottom, I'm just going to twirl those to make sure they form pretty little curls and then pin them down there so that they look as if it's loose hair, but really it's pinned down because, again, we don't want this to move. And this is your last chance to hide anything that might still be sticking out. I had a bit of extension showing there, so I just covered that up. And then next step is to spray this down until it, once again, does not move anymore. We want this to last for 4 days. No, you need a lot of hairspray for this to stay and not split and reveal all of that hair mess that's underneath. So I decided to go back and curl those little side bits of front hair. And I also curled my bangs to make them look a little bit shorter than they actually are. And there is the hairstyle all finished. A really beautiful special occasion hairstyle, perfect for the upcoming holidays, inspired by Audrey Hepburn in War and Peace from 1956. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content and sewing and other stuff. I want to give another massive thank you to Anna Luisa for sponsoring today's video, and I want to wish you guys happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you again very soon in my next video. Bye!